Hello everyone, back to you in today's first video. We're doing weekend forecast for today's first video. So as always on a Saturday, we're having a look at the weather for the week ahead. It's going to be a very unsettled week to come. Low pressure is going to be rattling through on most days this week, bringing either spells of rain and strong winds, and there will be showers in between those rain bands as well. So yes, a very active week's weather to come, and I shall get on with that for you very shortly. Just to say that the second video update coming up later on today will be your 10 to 14 day video, and that will include all of regular features, of course. The websites we're using for weekend forecasts are coming from theweatherout.com and weathertech.de. You'll find links to both websites on the links page. So let's do this then. We're starting off with a radar picture. There's a band of wet and windy weather coming across the country today. This sets the scene really for the rest of the week. So at the moment, this band of rain is through eastern Scotland, northern England, down into Wales and southwest England. There's a few showery bursts breaking out ahead of it, but much of the Midlands, East Anglia, South East England has been dry this morning. However, this band of heavy rain and strong winds, squally rain, will be pushing in across those central and eastern parts of England through the course of this afternoon. It is clearing through Scotland and Northern Ireland, this band of rain, back to bright skies, but also with blustery showers. Here today's starting pressure chart. So low pressure is dominating the weather, sitting to the northwest of Scotland, bringing a strong push of westerly winds across the country, and of course there's this active band of rain, active front moving from northwest to southeast across the country as well. So for the rest of this afternoon, we'll see this band of rain, squally rain with strong winds along it, moving through Midlands in towards East Anglia, southeasting by the end of the afternoon and into the evening. Brighter skies and blustery showers will follow through to Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England. Those bright skies eventually arrive across Wales and southwest England by the middle and latter part of this afternoon. It's a windy old day, especially along that weather front. So there will be squally winds with that band of rain, and as the rain clears, the winds fall light for a time before more very strong winds pack in to the west and into the northwest later on in the afternoon. Gales are possible around Irish Sea coast, they definitely are. Temperatures today are going to be ranging from around 7 Celsius in the far north, so quite cold across northern parts of Scotland, to 16 Celsius down in the south, very mild. 61 Fahrenheit, although add on the wind and rain, of course, it won't feel that mild. Overnight tonight, that rain will linger across parts of East England for a while through the evening, but it will push away into the North Sea, and then brighter, clearer skies, I should say, as it's night time. Clearer skies will follow in from the west, and with those clear skies will come blustery showers into many western parts of the country. They could band together, give some longer spells of rain through parts of western, southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England, West Wales and southwestern England too. Many central east areas becoming dry through the second part of the night. We fall back into GMT tonight, so don't forget to turn your clock back an hour and you will get an extra hour in bed tonight, extra hour's sleep. Right, then go through into Sunday, and low pressure into the northwest Scotland will be feeding in showers, really. So tomorrow is a case of sunshine and showers. Many of the showers will be in the north and west, where they could merge together to give longer spells of rain in places. There could be some rumbles of thunder and some hail accompanying some of those heavy showers. Central and eastern areas will have reasonable amount of dry and bright weather in the morning, but even here, some of those showers will push through during the afternoon. However, many of the showers will actually be across western parts of the country tomorrow. Temperatures a little bit cooler as well tomorrow. About the same in the north, really, around 7 degrees up there. But down in the south and the southeast, it will be cooler than today. We take a few degrees off the temperature, so probably maxing out around 13 degrees in the southeast. That's 55 Fahrenheit. Then we go through into Monday. Again, it's all looking very showery with low pressure across the country. Actually, this low in the middle of the North Atlantic. More about that in a moment. But for Monday, it's basically a case of sunshine and showers. But showers particularly heavy and widespread through the morning. Anywhere could catch showers on Monday morning. With time, they're going to pull northwards and eastwards as this little transient ridge starts to build in from the west. We'll probably find sort of Northern Ireland, Wales, southwest England turning drier through the course of Monday afternoon, as the showers are particularly in more northern and eastern parts of the country. Temperatures on Monday, again, a little bit on the cool side, really, ranging from around, say, 6 to 12. 12 is 54 in Fahrenheit. And then in comes the next low pressure as we go through into Tuesday. Very intense area of low pressure Bissell with a minimum central pressure of around 1045 millibars in the North Atlantic. This contains the remains of ex-Hurricane Epsilon. Well, it's still a Hurricane Epsilon at the moment, but will become an ex-hurricane by the end of the weekend. So that develops into a major area of low pressure then in the North Atlantic on Tuesday, and this is where our next batch of wet and windy weather is coming from. So Tuesday will start mainly dry across central and east areas with sunny spells, but we'll have outbreaks of rain and strong winds from the word go across Ireland, Wales and southwest England. And this wet and windy weather is going to sweep from westwards to eastwards across the country through the course of Tuesday. There'll be some heavy rain associated with that as well, and squally winds again on active weather fronts. Through the course of the afternoon, we're going to find brighter skies returning to much of western Britain and Northern Ireland, but as it brightens up, so the winds will strengthen further. Gale force winds are possible around all Irish Sea and Atlantic coast. We might get the wind gusting up to severe gale force across parts of Northern Ireland by the end of Tuesday afternoon and into Tuesday evening, by which time the persistent rain in the east will be pulling out into the North Sea. Temperatures lift up a little bit during that wet weather, so we probably reach around 14 degrees, 57 Fahrenheit in the east for a time on Tuesday. When as the rain clears and we move a warm sector away, it'll turn cooler with temperatures dropping away during the course of Tuesday afternoon and evening. Then Wednesday is a very straightforward day of sunshine and showers with low pressure to the northwest of Scotland. Notice we're bringing in a strong westerly wind with tightly packed ice bars. It'll be a windy day on Wednesday with gale force winds again, particularly in more northern and western parts of the country. Certainly gusts going up to 40, 50 miles per hour there. And there'll be lots of heavy showers too. The showers could merge into longer spells of rain across northern and western areas. Southern and eastern areas probably getting the driest and brightest of weather on Wednesday, but there will even here be the risk of showers. Temperatures falling back a little bit on Wednesday with a range from around 7 to 12 degrees once again. Now we go through to Tuesday, and we have a north-south split setting up here. So for northern areas close to the main area of low pressure, we'll have sunshine and showers. Further southwards, though, we are drawing up what could be a very mild southwesterly wind, but there's a weather front that's getting strung out and stuck across the south. This means that we could have a very wet day on Thursday across much of England and Wales, with pulses of persistent and heavy rain, pulses of persistent heavy outbreaks of rain coming and going throughout the day on Thursday. It could be one of those soaking wet days for much of England and Wales on Thursday, accompanied by a very strong southwesterly wind as well. Winds could gust up to gale force around some of these southern and southwestern coast areas. Further north, Scotland, Northern Ireland and a large part of Northern England will have a brighter day with sunny spells and still blustery showers. A big range in temperatures as well on Thursday. So in the north, probably quite cold. Temperature there around 6 or 7 degrees, really, for many northern parts of Scotland, to around 10 for like southern Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. But go further southwards, despite the rain, at least it will be mild. In fact, very mild in the south, with temperatures possibly up to around 16, maybe at the outside, 17 degrees is possible in the southeast corner, to low 60 Fahrenheit. That is despite being potentially a very wet and windy day. This situation continues into Friday, but the front will push further northwards really, so we'll take that band of heavy and persistent rain from England and Wales overnight Thursday into Friday and move it northwards to Northern Ireland, particularly southern Scotland and much of northern England. Central northern Scotland probably having a bright day on Friday with sunshine and showers. Then we have heavy rain through the central swathe of the country. Come further southwards, it turns drier and still very mild during up this southwesterly wind. So if the sun was to come out in the south and southeast on Friday afternoon, I wouldn't rule out getting a temperature around 18 degrees then. That's going to mid-60s Fahrenheit. So perhaps exceptionally mild in the southeast corner if the sun was to come out on Friday afternoon. Otherwise, we'll be talking about temperatures, into the low to mid-teens Celsius really through many parts of the country. But it is a milder day, but still with heavy rain in the north and west. This area of low pressure developing to west of Ireland will bring another pulse of really wet weather to many parts of the country overnight Friday into Saturday. And when we go through to Saturday, we take that low pressure and its front across the country, taking a band of rain west to east, brighter skies and cooler temperatures following in from the west on Saturday. And then through into Sunday, going to be a little bit of ridge of high pressure going in the south. So from the south of England, Wales, sunny. It's probably going to be a mostly dry day with brighter sunny spells, but still some showers or longer spells of rain left in the north and west. Temperatures will be back to average, I think, over the weekend. Finally, looking at weather outlook, so this situation today, of course, got heavy rain moving across many parts of the country, followed by sunshine and showers. Tomorrow, it really is a case of sunshine and showers, as it is on Monday too. Then wet and windy from that deep area of low pressure on Tuesday. That low does contain the remains of Hurricane Epsilon as well. Wednesday, we're back to sunshine and showers, and then on Thursday and Friday, quite a bit of uncertainty, but I think we could set up a very wet spell on Thursday for England and Wales, and then that rain pushes northwards as we go through into Friday. What you will notice is that it potentially becomes very mild, even I would say quite warm for a time down in the southeast. So, in summary, it's going to be a very unsettled week. Low pressure going to be in control of weather this week, bringing bouts of rain and strong to gale force winds at times as well. In between the bands of more persistent rain, we'll have lots of heavy showers. Temperatures will be up and down. Some days will be milder, some days will be cooler. Overall, probably averaging out a little bit on the cool side for the north, a little bit on the mild and average side down in the south. It gets very mild, potentially exceptional or even warm in the south and southeast for a couple of days at the end of the week. Right, we should be back later on with your 10 to 14 day video update, so come back for that then. Weekend forecast, that's all for now, and thanks for watching.